Eager to establish a robust maintenance business but unsure where to begin? In just 5 minutes, I'll guide you to transform your idea into a profitable venture. Step 1. Pick your niche. Focus is vital. Select a niche. Whether it's plumbing, electrical, or painting, choose one that aligns with your skills and market demand. You'll shine as the expert in your chosen area. World Map. Step 2. Map out services. Be clear about your offerings. Rather than broadly stating, plumbing, detail the precise services you'll provide. This clarity sets client expectations and simplifies your pricing. Phone. Step 3. Set UP systems. Money bag. Step 4. Price for profit. Recognize your value. Include your time, tools, travel, and desired profit. Avoid undercharging. Emphasize value-based pricing over mere hourly rates. Loudspeaker. Step 5. Promote smart. Start promotion locally. Utilize Facebook groups, distribute flyers, claim your Google business profile, and consider offering small referral discounts. Word of mouth can elevate your business significantly. Rocket. Final step. Think big. As jobs come in, shift your mindset, hire personnel, invest in superior tools, and broaden your service range. Planning ahead simplifies future growth. Check mark. If this was valuable to you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more straightforward tips to rapidly grow your maintenance business.